Good morning, guys. So today is our last day here in London, but we have a big day planned today. We're going to go have afternoon tea, but it's at 11:30.
For an early dinner, we're going to have Sri Lankan food, which, have you ever had?
Never had Sri Lankan.
Neither of us have ever had Sri Lankan food. It's similar to Indian food, but not quite, so it should be really interesting. I hear it's really good. And then we're gonna go to the Harry Potter Cauldron experience at 8 p.m. So it's like a potions making class, and you get to make 2 of your own cocktails with, they give you instructions, they give you a cape, a wand, so it's an interactive, immersive experience that should be a lot of fun.
But first, we're here at St. James's Park again because
it's our favorite park.
Yeah,
it's right behind our hotel, and it just looks like a painting, honestly.
Yeah.
Like it's kind of foggy. It's foggy right now. And then the fall colors. It's so pretty.
So we're just gonna take some photos before we head to our afternoon tea. Alright, so we are here at Horton & Mason. It's a high-end department store. But there's this whole big line here, and it opens at 11:30, and that's when our reservation for tea is.
We're here at the Diamond Jubilee Tea Salon, where we'll be having high tea.
Is afternoon tea your favorite thing?
It is my favorite thing to do. I like tea and I like sweet and savory, so you get both like pastries, but then you also get sandwiches. And I love scones and clotted cream.
Yeah.
And because I'm gluten-free, there aren't a lot of places that serve gluten-free high tea, and Horton & Mason does. So, well, there are places now, but it's the quality varies, but I hear theirs is really good.
Melissa, how was your afternoon tea?
It was fantastic. There was a lot of food that we had to take some of it to go, because at the end you get a slice of cake of your choice, and neither of us had room for it at the time. So we got it to go, and we'll probably have it before we head to our Harry Potter Cauldron experience.
I will say, I think that was our best afternoon tea experience that we've had ever, and we've had a number of them here in London, also in South Africa and everywhere. So yeah, really highly recommended. Come to Horton & Mason's afternoon tea. And now, since we like the tea so much, so we're going to buy some tea to go home, and also maybe buy a tea set.
Teacup and saucer are 60 pounds. Tea for 2 gift set is 360 pounds. We won't be getting a teacup and saucer.
How much? 360 pounds for a set.
That's okay, we'll go to the place next door, it's cheaper.
IKEA, this place is super busy. Crazy.
Ah, found you.
Oh, yes, okay. These are $12.95 each.
Okay.
Do you think that's too much?
No, that's good.
Like,
Which one did you get? Fort Mason and
Fort
Countless
Mason
Rain?
is the one you said you liked.
Oh, the Darjeeling?
And Chinese tea. And then I like the Countess Grey.
Yeah.
Alright.
Good to go?
I want to look around a little bit more because it's really hard to navigate.
Yeah.
Yeah. as far as like things I came to buy, I think that's
Okay, so you know how the saying goes, English people really like their tea? It's true, because I think everybody's here buying tea right now.
yeah.
So we got 3 different teas that we like from upstairs. So we got the Formation, which is like a Asian tea. And then, yeah, we got the Royal Blend and one other one. So, yeah, not too bad. They were like, what, $12.95? £12.95, so pretty good. Okay, damage wasn't too bad. 65 pounds. Now we are gonna go that way to the Away store. Melissa wants to look at a couple things over there.
I did want to look at the Away store, but not necessarily buy.
Yeah.
It's in Covent Garden, which is a really nice area to just kind of walk around in. And yeah, they just happen to have an Away store there. We're here at the theater where they're playing Harry Potter and the Cursed Child in London. It is a two-part show that's about over 5 hours in total. So you can see the shows all in one day, or you can break it up into 2 different days. Unfortunately, I found out about it too late, and it just wasn't going to work out for us to see it. But they are showing it in in New York. So next time we're in New York, we should definitely see it. It's supposed to be the 8th book of the Harry Potter series. So yeah, should be interesting.
Like after all the crazy stuff that happened.
I'm not sure. It's just different.
Hello. That's the only thing I have.
It's actually bigger than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like this size. So I got a mini Away suitcase, which is actually a gift set, and it comes with 5 different products in it that are all natural, clean products. So like Tata Harper, Sunday Riley. So the mini Away is like a very temporary seasonal thing. It sells out very quickly.
It actually sold out online.
It's sold out online in the US and in Europe. So the only place you can get it is in the store. So it actually ends up being a very good deal because the mini Away just by itself is like 65 pounds, but the gift set is 95 pounds for the one I got, the Luxe, which is the most expensive one, of course. But the difference is only 30 pounds, but like one thing inside the gift set was already 35 pounds. It was the sleep mask. So yeah, it's a
Really
tremendous
good deal.
value. So even with the exchange rate, it still ends up being about, because I'm going to get some VAT back at the airport, so it ends up being about just slightly more, like $8 more than I would have paid in the States. So I'm pretty happy with it.
And we are here in the Covent Garden area where there's all kinds of shops, Lululemon, Muji, Allbirds actually. So I just tried on some Allbirds and I think I'm gonna get some. So because they're very, very comfortable and they're made of wool, and yeah, it's a really nice sneaker. So before we head to dinner, we're just probably gonna walk around this area, go do some more shopping, or at least just do some window shopping. But everybody is around right now. So yeah, it's really, really popular spot for shopping. And since it's Sunday afternoon, that's what people are doing. Can't blame them.
So in the Sundial area, they have what's called a 7 Dials Market, and I've never even heard of it, but there's like food stands over here, and then there are restaurants over there. It's pretty cool.
$7 Market is really cool actually. And it's like a secret, no one talks about it. We haven't seen it in any like Best of London or whatever, so yeah. Good find.
We just found a rotating cheese bar, like a, you know, rotating sushi bar, but for cheese.
It's called the Cheese Bar. And yeah, it's a rotating cheese bar. Apparently this market was once an area where they like stored bananas or warehouse bananas or something, so that's why it's called the banana market.
We're here at Hopper's, a Sri Lankan restaurant. So it's our first experience, so come along.
How was it?
It was good. We didn't get a whole lot of food, so, but what we did get was good. But I don't think it's like completely representative of what Sri Lankan food is. So we'll definitely have to try Sri Lankan food again.
Maybe actually in Sri Lanka.
One day.
One day. All right, just so to give you a little bit more information about what we actually got. So we got deviled squid. We got a black pork rib, which was actually really good. It had really nice spice on it, which is my favorite dish. And we also got a curry, spelled K-A-R-I, which is basically a curry. So Sri Lanka is very close to India, so it has all of that influence as well. So yeah, that was very good, but it tastes pretty much like any other curry that you can get. So nothing super special, but yeah, still very good to try.